Hey guys, welcome back to Sabers Forever. I'm John, and today we're going to be going over the Master MW3. This thing is so gorgeous. It's just machined perfectly, and it's absolutely exceptional in every way that you could possibly imagine. I am obviously foaming at the mouth, and I guess I just can't wait to show you this saber. So without further ado, why don't we just jump right in, and I'll show you exactly what's going on. All right, so this is the Master MW3. This thing is absolutely amazing. You can pick them up at thesaberarmory.com, and they are just like everything that's sold there. I mean, it's the highest quality. It's the absolute best replica you're going to be able to get, and I just can't ever get over how amazing these are. Well, any of the sabers are, but this is all machined out of brass, mostly, so it's very hefty and then chrome-plated. The whole thing is just beautifully machined, and it looks and feels absolutely amazing. It comes with two different size grips. You get these ones, which are longer, like they're taller, and then you get these, which are a little bit shorter, so that it keeps the profile thinner. This is more accurate, so I went with those. But this looks and feels amazing, and the whole thing, like I said, is machined in brass, but this also is sporting a master chassis. So let's open this up. To do so, you would just unscrew the grip, and then release the... all right, release the chassis. It comes completely out. And this is the Master Chassis by Goth-3designs with the gold and rhodium plated 3D printed parts. So this thing is like top tier, really, really nice. The components consist of a stock NPXL Eco connector for your blade, a switch PCB with your power up top and your auxiliary on the bottom. You have a high amp kill switch right here. You have an 18650 with a hatch that opens up. Your positive is up here. You have a 2020 Neopixel underneath the crystal right here, along with strips, 5 Neopixels on this side and 5 Neopixels on this side, along with an additional 5 Neopixel accents on top of your soundboard, which this one is sporting, if I could get this open. This one's sporting a Proffi V2.2, the additional 5 accent Neopixels, and then a 22 millimeter speaker. So this thing is fully loaded. There is no spot left unturned. Everything is well thought out, and there's really no room for anything else. The install process for this was a little tricky, but honestly, now that it's done, I kind of want to do another one. They're really fun, and it's a little bit of a different process than normal, so changes it up a little for me. But yeah, this one turned out great. So let's turn this on. You would just flip the kill switch to the right.
Take a seat, young Skywalker.
And it turns on and just looks absolutely gorgeous. This saber just absolutely screams elegance. I mean, so beautiful. So nice. All right, so when you're going to put this back into the saber, you want to line up. This is your power, and this is your auxiliary plunger. So you want to line this up. It's on a track system, so there's only one way that it can go in, and it cannot rotate once it's in. So put that in the emitter, and then close this, and twist this back on. This clocks at the exact right spot. Perfect. And now your saber turns on. So this also has gesture controls along with music. This has a track selection for each font. So you would start it by holding the power and releasing it. Now we're in font selection. And when you twist the saber, it'll select a different track until you hit the power. Now you're on here. You can use your saber. So I don't get copyright striked. I'm going to stop there. But yeah, other than that, I mean, that's really the entire saber and how you would go about using everything. Well, that's not true. This is your blade plug. It just screws in like that. And this saber comes with an actual... all right, I'll open it. It comes with an actual blade holder emitter, which has... it has blade retention screws. There's 3 of them on each side, on every well, corner of a triangle that it would be. But this fits a 7/8 blade, and you'd be able to just plug that in. You just tighten your screws down, and you're good to go. Now, just for accuracy, like if you were going to wear it on your belt, you just put this in, or put it on your shelf, and there you have it. So this saber, just really well thought out, super loud, really intuitive to use. The chassis is absolutely gorgeous. And when you're ready to just put it on the shelf and let it, you know, look beautiful, open this up, pull this out, turn off your kill switch, and you're done. Just like that. Alright guys, that does it for this video. If you like what you see and you want to see more, make sure to like and subscribe for more awesome content featuring sabers just like this guy here. There's going to be quite a few more of Master Chassis showing up in the near future, so you're not going to want to miss it. If you are looking to get a saber installed, I have commissions available on my website at sabersforever.com. You can find commissions to get KR Sabers products installed. If you don't see what you want, you can always message me at john@sabersforever.com, where I'd be happy to answer any inquiries that you have regarding, I don't know, saber forge hilts or whatever isn't on my website. Or if you have questions about anything on my website, just hit me up, john@sabersforever.com. Alright guys, well that does it for this video. So until the next time, may the Force be with you.